Hi, today I'm going to walk through how Hardenedby.ai handled a historical vulnerability to Apache Airflow. Let's pretend it's April 2026 and there's been a vulnerability in Apache Airflow 3.0 through 3.1.8 for some unintended DAG run behavior. This gets labeled by NIST as CVE-2026-34538, but for this demo I'll be referring to it as the DAG run vulnerability. Let's see what Hardenedby.ai can do about it. First, the pipeline tries to deterministically take the public upstream fix and apply it to our pinned 3.1.8 tree. This is what Renovate would currently do, or in a controlled environment, what ChainGuard would be doing behind the scenes. But this case is a little tricky. The patch absorption doesn't backport cleanly since there's been some nasty code drift. Under current industry standards, this is the kind of work that would likely fall under the publicly stated 22% of cases that get kicked to manual review. With Hardenedby.ai, this work is instead handed over to a GPT 5.6 SOL medium thinking agent. The agent rewrites the backport so the auth check lands on 3.1.8, creating a change so that requesting results without XCOM permissions returns a 403, aka a fix to the DAG run vulnerability, plus a regression test. Some key notes about the methodology and what was happening here. Number one, the remediation agent was only given access to a frozen version of the repo with the upstream fix and the advisory, but no live networking. So it couldn't just come out and cheat and see what was done in the future to solve this, but was still able to produce an equally valid adaptation. Number two, the agent solution is not being trusted blindly. An independent verifier runs deterministic gate tests and generates a bill of materials and scanner results for compliance before anything would rebuild. In this case, the agent's work was accepted, and across our initial dataset, we found it was accepted about 87% of the time. Here are my sources on where to find that 22% manual work number and the link to the GitHub that has the source code for my demo.